Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious shrimp tacos. The first thing we're going to make is the coleslaw. Now for this, I like a mixture of green cabbage and red cabbage. I feel like that just makes it look prettier. So I like a little bit more green than red. So like 3/4 of the amount would be green and then the rest red. To that, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of finely chopped cilantro, the juice from 1 whole lime, one tablespoon of white sugar, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix that together. As always, the exact measurements will be in the description box below for you. Okay, the last thing I'm adding to that is a 1/3 cup of mayonnaise. You're just going to mix everything really well. When you're done, cover that and set it aside. Now let's make our Chipotle lime mayo. To my blender cup, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, a 1/4 cup of sour cream, one chipotle pepper in adobo sauce. Now you can put 2 if you want to, it depends on how hot you want it. 1 clove of garlic, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, the juice from 1 lime, and 1 teaspoon of honey. Blend everything until it's nice and smooth. I just got this blender and I love it so much. Oh my goodness. I wanted a small blender like this to make sauces, and this one is so powerful. It's so good. So I'm going to leave it linked below if you're looking for a blender. Also, if you're making smoothies right now, you know it's summer, it's hot out there. It works really good. I've been using it for my smoothies also. Okay, so for the star of the show, the shrimp, I'm using 1 pound of extra large shrimp, and they're peeled and cleaned and deveined. To season it, I'm using some adobo seasoning, but you can use any of your favorite seasoning on there. I don't think it matters really, just put whatever you like on there. I like this adobo seasoning for this dish because it's not overpowering. So when you put everything together, you can really taste each and every ingredient. To cook the shrimp, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oil to my pan, and I have this set over medium heat. Cook the shrimp for about 4 minutes or so. Just keep stirring them, and shrimp don't take long to cook, so you don't want to overcook them. When they're finished, just remove them from the pan. Okay, let's assemble our tacos. So I went ahead and heat up my corn tortilla on the stove. And then I'm going to add some coleslaw to it. Next, I'm going to add some shrimp, and I'm adding 3 shrimp per taco. I'm adding some of that Chipotle lime mayo. Some queso fresco. Oh my gosh, I love queso fresco. I think that's my favorite cheese. And some cilantro. And a little squeeze of lime juice at the end, and I forgot to put it. I was so ready to eat this taco, I forgot about my lime. This is the best shrimp tacos I've ever eaten. And not because I made it, but it's just so good. It's so refreshing, it's so light. It just feels like summer on a plate. All the seasoning, all the flavors, they just pair so well together. So I really hope you give this recipe a try. I was in heaven eating this because you know how much I love shrimp. I always talk about it, so this is, it was so good. So I really hope you try this recipe. You're not going to regret it. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.